Okay, so here's what you need to know for this one. If I have a matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and I add something, say I add something to the top row, so A plus 3, B plus 2, C plus 1. So it wasn't the same thing, and it wasn't another row, it's just a number. Then the determinant of this matrix right here, equals the determinant of my original matrix plus the determinant of the matrix that looks like this. So plus the determinant of that. So when you are adding together these determinants, the parts that are the same aren't really going to affect it. So just thinking about it, if I knew that the determinant of that was 1, and I knew that the determinant of that was 3, then I would know that the determinant of that would be 1 plus 3, or 4. So these were the same, and then I added these together, and then I can add those two together. So for this problem, we have to see how we can combine these two matrices. So if I start with, let's see, I'm going to start by swapping these two columns. And I did that because I needed to get GHI in front and ABC in the back. So the determinant of what I have right now is -4, because when you swap two columns, it changes the sign. Okay, now I'm going to multiply the first column by 2. Multiplying any row or column multiplies the determinant by that value. So the determinant is now -8. Okay, I'm now going to swap, so this is, I have this one, so hold on to that one. I'm now going to take matrix B, which I was told has determinant 3, and I'm going to swap its columns. So that means this has determinant -3. I am now going to multiply its first row by 2. So this now has determinant -6. So now I have that's not what I meant. Let's see. Okay, so I have this top matrix that has determinant -6, this bottom matrix that has determinant -8. Now, if I then take the matrix that I get by combining these two matrices, where they have the same thing, I leave it alone. Where they have something different, I add them. And I get the matrix that I'm looking for. That's the one I'm looking for. So that means the determinant of that matrix is -6 plus -8 or -14.